going on? My name's Colin. This is my 2016 Kink Tony Hamlin Solus. Great bike. I love it. It's the top line complete. It's not the complete components anymore because I've got ODI grips, the stock Solus bars, 8.65 inch rise. I got an Odyssey brake lever, some brake cord, which goes down to the Odyssey Evo 2s. Good brakes. They're brakes, they stop you. The Kink high rise stem, Kink integrated headset, or well, emission actually. And then this is the Foundation 2 fork. I have Odyssey Mike Aiken dirt tires, really big, barely enough clearance, front and back, but it is what it is. Driveline, profile cranks, fly pedals, Astro sprocket, stock bottom bracket. Haven't really had a need to switch that out. Stock chain, it's at 2 links because when I got this sprocket I had to get a bigger chain. Stock rear hub, which is a Mission Convoy laced up to the stock rim. Then I got this tire, a dirt tire, the Odyssey Mike Aiken 2 tire. It's not the Mike Aiken 2 tire, it's just a Mike Aiken dirt tire. Anyways, yeah, color is trans gold, really nice color. CBS Full Circle Bike Shop. It's located in Florence, Massachusetts. Check it out. Really good bike shop. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get some riding clips this weekend. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to get because it did snow today. But yeah, this is my bike. I can go over the seat. It's a Kink Stout. It's fake leather. You slide really easily. Seat post only comes up just about this much. So it's a kind of a small seat post. But it's a good bike. I really like it. I've been riding it since May. I've learned a lot of stuff on it. I feel really comfortable on it. It's an all-around good bike. Very durable. I have broken a spoke, but it was kind of my fault. I was riding down this path. There was a tree branch, and I was going fast because I was like jumping railroad tracks. Not real railroad tracks. It was a little fake train. Anyways, and the tree went into my spokes, and I think it broke one. In fact, I know that's how it broke. Because how else? So yeah, again, 2016 Kink Tony Hamlin Solus. Got it from Full Circle Bike Shop. Again, check him out, Florence, Mass. Really good dude. Alright.